Hello everyone, this is Bharat Bahadur Thakurati, studying in Saptawarika College as a student of ethical hacking and cybersecurity. Today I am going to solve a box that is assigned by our college as a final project. Now I am to start my process. As you can see, we are doing scanning using the tool Nmap. We just got the IP of the box 172.100.135, and now scanning is going on. It will take some time. As we can see, the scan is complete, and we got the open port here, 22 as a TCP, and we also got 1 2 3 4 port open in the TCP. Let's source this IP using our IP with this port 123 in the browser. As you can see, I have already done this process. And in this we got the source bar where we can type the find or type the number of the owners. Let's type the first and we'll get the user detail. Yes, we just get the user detail as this as the name and there, and we can do up to user 5. If we enter the number 6, we'll get the wrong error, which we can see the pop-up message like you are not allowed to view this error. After that, if we enter user number 27, we'll get different output, no user find. Now on the next step we can do. On the next step, let's take check that in this web there we can test SQL injection or not. For testing it, let's type with quotation. Yes, we just get the output that we are this website is protected with the firewall. As you can see here, pop-up message. Now let's move into the next step. On the next step, let's see the source view of this page. We can simply see the page source by just clicking on the view page source, and it will redirect to the this. And we can see here, if we type the username in the source bar, we will get the username here, and after that the output will be given as the URL in this step. Let's first type the username 3 and enter, and after that here this was already opened, and let's see the view source page. uh, uh, sorry sorry, I was confused in this step. In this step, if we type the username there, and it will just enter the URL here, and it will redirect to our page, and we will get the output of the username on our disk. With the help of that function, we just get the output in our web page. This step on the next step, let's test the ID parameter for SQL injection vulnerability using different command. As I have already done this process, let's run, but it will take lots of time to execute it. SQL map, and okay, this is the command. After running this command of source parameter, we'll get the output of the username with their password in a hash value. It will take lots of time to execute this. Let's enter this command. While running this command, let's process the other process using the different commands. As we have done the SQL already, it will take lots of time to process it. As I have already know the username and the password. And on this process, let's do the SSH with the chunky this, giving the IP number this, and after getting the hash from the SQL injection, we get the password at YELHSA. um, After entering the password by ELHSA that we get from the SQL injection, we'll just get inside the user chunky. From this, let's search what is inside this user using the command ID. We'll get okay, we just get the username, group name, and group of the chunky, and let's get the what things are hosting inside this user using the cat at c host, and after that in this step we can see the IP 200 which is hosting jigupostal.com. Let's first open let's see the which switch port are open in this IP, and we'll just go to the browser to search it. Let's scan the port 172 dot 172 dot 100 dot 100 dot 200 using the tool nmap. The command for scanning the IP is nmap hyphen sc hyphen sv and 172 dot 100 dot 100 dot 200, and let's skip hyphen p and hyphen p. It will take some time to scan and we'll get the result. After after scanning, we just can see that there are open ports 2253 3006 and 3006 and 65432. Let's see 65232 what we'll get on that. Just giving the IP 172 dot 100 dot 200 with the port number 6543 and 2. After it will take some time to load. As you can see, after entering the IP and the port number, we just get inside the Jigu Fursal. Here, after going inside the contact, we let's view the source of the page. And after going inside this, let's analyze what can we find here. Mm, and after seeing this, we just can confirm that there is a ELFI vulnerability where we can retrieve unintended file and get inside the another step. Let's do another step. On another step, we'll do LFI using curl command. Let's see on this step. Let's clear our terminal and as I have already told, we'll use the call command as I have done this step before. So let's see call by giving a path of the space source and the LFI that we get after viewing the page source. Let's enter this and we'll get the IDRSA. IDRSA. Yes, we just get the private key. Now let's uh, keep this private key inside a file to get the passport. Now using the mouse pad, let's keep this as file inside it. MOUS pad and has for IDRSA inside this. Let's copy this key first and now on this step now let's do SSH. Yes, yes, yes. Before doing that, as we already know that while doing SQL dump, we just get the ETS 35 as a user. As I have done this, let's use this command to get inside the ETS 35. This is the password for the ETS 35 that we just keep in the previous section. Now let's go inside it and see. Yes, after that we just get inside this. Now see what is inside this, and let's analyze what is inside ETS 35 at the rest of Tuareg. In this step, I just unzip the jigupursal.jar and let's see what is inside it. Where is our yes, there is a PDF file. After unzipping the cursor, let's go inside. Let's go inside classes. uh, let's see what is inside classes, and we'll get different files, and let's go inside the template file uh, folder, sorry. Inside it, let's see what we get. As we just get the important message which will be important for the upcoming process, where anyone must not find this registration which is in HTML file. Now let's keep this in the web page in Jigu Fursal. Uh, uh, this, and after entering this, we'll get a registration yes, registration page. Now for the further processes, let's do SQL injection for this page using the command. Let's go on the next step. uh, let's clear this terminal first. This is the command to just do the SQL injection for the anomalous using the SQL dump. Now let's do it. Will take lots of time, so I will skip this step as I have already done this step, and I had a final key for the root axis where I have kept inside final key, sorry, cat final key. Yes, this is the key. Now let's go inside the ETS 35 using this private. Now let's do SSS using the final key that we find. This is the command to go inside it with the ETS 35 as the user and IP 100.100.35. It will directly keep the password by decrypting it, and we just get inside the ETS 35 software. Let's see what is inside this. Now let's do. Before doing this, let's use the command and give the uh, dollar, and let's keep the path to go inside it, and after this let's export the uh, this export export the path uh, path then. Now let's go inside this using the command. Let's see what is inside this, and now let's do after doing that, let's again do echo path, echo echo path. This we just get the, we are not on the location where we want to be. Let's check what is